Time for an update to the protobuf tooling. This will be what shows up in the tools menu when the package is installed. So it has now parsed it. These were the enumerations and messages it found in the tooling for me to confirm, and now we can have it generate the code. Now I'm going to pick where to output to, so I'll just make it another number. And now it's done. It's supposed to pop open a project showing that it generated code, but that'll come next. So how about we take a look at what was generated. This is I'm going to do this manually. And then the next thing I'm going to add is it'll put all of these libraries in there for everything it generated. And just as a quick recap, this is the proto file that was generated from. And everything is done now, including unflattening messages. Yeah, including the block diagram cleanup. That's still putting it out of view. But this should all be working now.